Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking focus on shape. Create a new layer and sketch the eye's outer contour with a light color. Use a steady brush or stabilizer 3 to draw the eyelid curves, then block the sclere and iris as separate shapes. Once the base is readable, make sure to adjust symmetry by flipping the canvas briefly. This catches proportional errors early. You're setting foundations for shading and highlights, so keep lines loose but intentional to preserve room for later refinement. Now add depth. Create a clipped layer for the iris and lay down a darker rim, mid-tone core, and a bright focal area. Use radial gradients and an airbrush to suggest curvature, then add subtle 0.51px specular highlights where the light hits. Once done, blend selectively with the blur tool or a soft brush at low opacity to keep texture. Make sure to preserve mid-tone bands so the eye reads as spherical rather than flat. That contrast sells realism. Finish by refining eyelashes, rim lighting, and tiny reflections. You'll want eyelashes on their own layer so you can tweak angle and thickness. Vary stroke pressure for natural results. Place a small white spot and a softer rim light opposite the main highlight and add a subtle pupil sheen to increase contrast. If something looks off, make sure layers aren't hidden, check opacity and blend modes, and adjust color balance or saturation to harmonize the eye with surroundings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.